Hey guys, welcome back. Hello to all of my subbies, and I want to say a what's up to all of my newbies. And just in case you don't know what a newbie is, I'm about to tell you. A newbie be anybody checking me out, maybe for the first time, maybe for the second, honey, maybe even for the third or fourth. We don't count such things around here. We don't keep tabs on those type of numbers. We really don't. I just want all of my subs and I want all of my noobs to gather around and come on in. Okay, so for today, what was that? My nails? Oh, you noticed my nails? Oh. Well, since inquiring minds want to know, let's address the pink coral elephant in the room. And it's about 10 of them. Yes, Miss DIY, that's M-E, got my nails D-O-N-E this weekend. I was going to do them myself, but the opportunity came along for me to be pampered, and honey, I just could not turn that down. So, what had happened was, you see, it all started very simply on a Saturday afternoon. I was just minding my own business, and then I got the call. Ching-a-ling-a-ling. Hello, honey, we getting our nails done. And I said, say less. And that's when the pampering began. And so we went off. haven't gotten my nails done in, let's say about eons, just to be fair. And you can equate eons to whatever you want to equate it to. Go in, sit down. I didn't even know what to do. So I went in there and honey, we got the works. It was called the organic, whatever. They massage, they smooth. Not only did they do the massage and the massaging of your feet, and of course they do your nails. You know, they shape them up or nail them down or file them down or drill them down, whatever, depending on what you need. But they were pretty good. And the very last time that I got a pedicure, I think it was on my birthday. Again, it was eons ago. And I didn't get all that. But this one was the kit and caboodle. This one was the meat and potatoes. This was the whole shebang. You know what I mean? The cake with the icing. And I got matching colors. So what you see on my hands is also on my feet. And as you can imagine, I couldn't really document too much of that because I need my hands to do all that. It's just me. Anyway, so I also got a hand massage. I got a forearm massage, which I didn't even know they offered. And not only that, they did my shoulders. They did my shoulders. They pulled my hair up. Now, you know, I don't like people touching but I didn't even know what she was doing. Now, you know, I'm not too much into people touching my hair. You know what I mean? Because I'm just very particular. But she was so quick with it. She clipped it up and then she commenced to rubbing my shoulders and my neck. And when I tell you, my head just slowly fell forward because I was in the zone and I was gone. It was so relaxing and I felt good afterwards. You know what I mean? Sometimes you just have to take a little time out for yourself and get a little pampering. Other than you doing it yourself, sometimes it's nice to enlist other people to do it for you. So the rest of the day was spent shopping and just looking for stuff because I'm into baseball caps and I'm looking for a particular baseball cap. You know, for me, when I have a bad hair day, well, I don't know why I'm doing air quotes, but when I have a bad hair day, if I don't pull it up and I don't pull it back in a bun, I like to slap on a baseball cap. That's me. I've been that way since day one. I'm looking for a particular cap, so I went to different stores and I didn't really find what I wanted, so I'm gonna have to get that online. But I must say I did enjoy this weekend. These are my nails, the final result of my nails. Of course, I broke one of them before I even got there, so my nails are a lot shorter, you know, just to make them even. But this is now it may be showing a pink, even though I love pink. Y'all know I love pink, but this is not pink. This is like a pinky coral. So again, it may be showing up like a Barbie pink on here, but it's not. It's coral. And those are the nails. And I got the little daisies on the ring finger. I wanted a little bit of zhuzh on my nails besides the color. And these are gel because she asked me whether I wanted, I guess, the regular nail polish or gel. And I said, well, what's the difference? Because again, I haven't been to a nail salon, let's say it together, in eons. Correct. So I said, well, what's the difference? She told me that gel dries quicker and you can immediately put on your shoes, afterwards, and it leaves a high gloss shine and it lasts a lot longer. So immediately I started thinking, because I told you guys, I haven't been wearing too much on my hands as of recent, because I do a lot with my hands, and as soon as I'm doing something, then the nail polish chips, and then I got to do the whole hand or nail over again, and it's just a lot sometimes for me. So I figured, do the gel. Maybe it'll last a little longer. Let's see what it's hitting for, and that'll be good. So I chose the gel. Yeah, I'm very happy. So I may have to go back. Again, it was good to step out and, do and be treated. So I'm very thankful, and I had a lot of fun. So I'm not going to hold you guys up too much longer. You know how we like to keep each other abreast of what is going on. So I'm letting you know what the dealio was for this weekend. And this coming weekend, that's when I'm going to do my hair. So we're going to have an update with that, because y'all know I'm doing some tings with my hair, as far as, growing the bangs a little longer. That's why I'm swooping my hair to the side, and the dash of color, which is going to be the week after. But we going to get into it. We're going to get into it. Don't you worry your pretty little heads about it. We are all going to be in the loop when it comes to these updates. So I think it's about time we skedaddle. What do you think? I think we should, and that's what we are about to do. So that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out, okay? I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. Honey, I need y'all to tiptoe back in here, because we got some more stuff to talk about. So you got to come back for that. So you already know it's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back. All right.